playing so great. Mike, appreciate you guys. E minor. C. 100 raging ravens in the trees, and the whispering voice of God is on the breeze, and an old freight train running down the track, and the demons on the loose don't turn back. 3 horses and a gypsy chased me down. She wanted me to go back, she said, turn around. I told her we would meet again. This road will always have the wind, so sing to me and shake your tambourine. There was a storm, there was a storm deep inside me. There was a storm deep inside of me. When I threw my rags and poems in the ditch, and a spell was cast upon me by a witch, and she slowed me down enough to make me bleed, but I made it through to plant another seed. Well, the time had come for me to make a stand. Just a few more days I'd reach the promised land, and my soul was aching for a simple change. And the days were dark, my dreams that were so strange. There was a storm, storm deep inside of me, yeah. There was a storm deep inside of me. Well, they beat me down, they put me in a jail. So I picked the lock, I escaped onto the trail, and the wolves would lead me on through the storm, with 1 more dead and 2 more children born. And an angel stretched his hand out in the rain, just a touch of mystic blessing, I felt no pain. I saw ghosts and they were rising from the grave. I became a storm within a storm within a storm.